Yes, please. Your interview is going to be on which date and in which place?
Sir, my interview is on 21st of June, sir, in Secunderabad division.
Secunderabad. Acha, acha. Good.
Yes, sir.
What is the degree you have studied?
Sir, I have done my graduation in the stream of mechanical engineering, sir.
Mechanical engineering. Acha. Which year did you complete? Hello? Which year did you complete?
Sir, my voice is audible?
No, 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 no. No, I think there is
Now,
some.
okay.
Now I am able to hear you, but earlier, yeah, I was not able to hear you. Now let me ask you again. You studied mechanical engineering. Which year did you study mechanical
Sir,
engineering?
I have done my graduation in the stream of mechanical engineering in 2019, sir.
2019. Good. After that, what you have been doing?
Sir, after completion of my graduation, I joined in the temporary worker of postal department, sir, like a gram dog saver, sir. Until 6 months, I continued that post, sir. After I quit the job and preparing for the competitive field, presently I am doing this interview, sir.
Very good. Good, 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 good. Now, you are going to apply in Secunderabad division, na?
Yes, sir.
You are normally you stay in Hyderabad or Secunderabad. Which place?
Bhadradri district, sir, is one of the districts in Telangana, sir.
So from Bhadravati, you are going to migrate to Secunderabad for the job?
Yes, sir.
ఓహో అంటే మీకు ఎక్కువ ఖర్చు అవుతుంది కదా ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ అవుతుంది కదా
Yes, sir. I will manage that, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ మీ నాన్న ఏం చేస్తున్నారు
Farmer, sir.
ఏం ఫార్మింగ్ చేస్తుంటారు
Paddi, Mirchi, and Wari, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ నౌ కమింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్స్ you are a mechanical engineering student. Why could you not get sufficient jobs in good jobs in mechanical engineering?
Sir, after completion of my graduation, there is no little bit of opportunities. They are in private sector, sir. There is no handful salary, sir. So that's why I am interested in the competitive field and entering the banking and insurance sector and preparing the still continue, sir, and clearing this interview. And previously I clear IDBI assistant manager and appearing the interview, sir.
Acha,
And
IDBI,
final selection.
IDBI interview clear అయినారా
మెయిన్స్ అంటే మెయిన్స్ అయింది సార్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్ లో రాలేదు సార్ నేమ్ రాలేదు
బట్ డోంట్ టెల్ అబౌట్ దిస్
ఓకే సార్
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీ చెప్పండి ఏడిఓ జాబ్ రోల్ ఏమండి
సార్ ద ప్రైమరీ రోల్ ఆఫ్ ఏడిఓ ఈస్ టు రిక్రూట్ ద ఏజెంట్స్ అండ్ ట్రైన్ దెమ్ అండ్ మోటివేట్ దెమ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ దెమ్ అండ్ అవాయిడ్ ద కాన్వర్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ పాలసీస్ of the agent, sir, and procure the more business to the insurance organization, sir, and follow them agents regularly and take feedback from them, sir.
What are the qualities required in a successful ADO?
Sir, as a successful apprentice development officer, must have patience and honesty and confident and good communication skills and team leading qualities and marketing skills and contact with the people is more important in the canvassing of policies, sir. And the leadership skills also they are important.
Have you applied for any other LIC exam?
Sir, I am applied LIC AAO exam, sir. Prelims is clear, sir. Unfortunately, I am not attending the mains examination, sir.
Okay. agriculture, is it not a profitable venture? Can you not take it up seriously and do it by yourself?
Sir,
Hello?
agriculture is a major sector in our Indian country, sir.
ఇండియన్ కంట్రీ కాదు, ఇండియన్ ఎకానమీ.
Indian economy, sir.
అచ్చా, చెప్పండి, వై యు ఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ అప్ అగ్రికల్చర్? మీ నాన్న చేస్తున్నారు కదా. నాన్న ఏం
So, అంటే
ఏం వాట్ ఈస్ హిస్
మా
ఏజ్? నాన్న ఏజ్ ఎంత ఇప్పుడు?
55 సంవత్సరాలు సార్.
87.
55 సంవత్సరాలు. 55 years, sir.
55. Acha, acha, acha. So if you also help him, it will be good for him, and afterwards you can also take it up and do it. Akkada profit ఏమీ రాదా?
ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది సార్, మరి కాకపోతే అంత ప్రాఫిట్ రాదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి ఒక్క మిర్చి కానీ, కాటన్ కానీ, చిల్లీ కానీ అంత హైయెస్ట్ రేట్ కి పర్చేస్ చేసుకోరు సార్ చాలా మంది. మా దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాక బయర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ రేట్ కి తీసుకుంటారు. కాకపోతే రైతు దగ్గర నుంచి మాత్రం ఎక్కువ కాస్ట్ కి తీసుకోరు సార్. సో ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది రైతుకు తక్కువ వస్తుంది, మీడియేటర్స్ మాత్రం ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది సార్.
What is the difference between endowment plan and ULIP?
Sir, endowment plan is a endowment plan provides the combination of insurance and savings, sir. Unit linked insurance plan is provided the combination of investment and insurance, sir.
Good. Manchimata, you told nicely. What is meant by life insurance?
Sir, life insurance is a life insurance corporation of India is a prestigious and tremendous growth in our country, sir. It plays major role in our Indian economy, sir. Is the youngest workforce in our country, sir. The total number of workforce is 1.3 million in the organization, sir. LIC provides every person must and should have the life insurance policy in the year of 2049, sir. LIC growth is still continuing, sir. Up to the year 2032, LIC reaches globally 6th largest company in the global world level, sir.
Okay. Now, next question for you is that, can you tell me examples of life insurance?
Life insurance, term insurance and endowment insurance and whole life policy and unit linked insurance plans, sir.
Super. Good. You told quickly, fadafat. Tell me something about term insurance.
Term insurance is applicable for only duration of the policy period, sir. After completion of policy term, any benefits are not provided to the policy holder.
A term insurance loan తీయొచ్చా?
Loan, there is no loan, sir. Loan provided not, sir, in this term insurance.
Very good. How many agents should you recruit as an ADO normally?
Sir, as an apprentice development officer, first 15 agents to recruit is a mandatory, sir.
Good. Now, what is the target that will be given to you when you
Sir,
are doing service 1 year?
Okay.
How much target is given to you?
As an apprentice development officer, the Life Insurance Corporation of India provides approximately 50,000 salary. That is the 5 times of as an apprentice development salaries, 5 times of salary. That is the target of ADO, sir.
You are not clear. You have to say,
Sir,
we are getting a salary of roughly 6 lakhs rupees. So
yes, sir.
the target is 5 times or
5 times
or 5.5 times. 5 times of
5
the
times, sir.
Of 5 times of the salary.
Annual income of the
5 times of the salary we are supposed to collect as premium through our agents.
Yes, sir.
Premium, policy kadu.
Yes, sir.
Premium.
Premiums. Yes, sir.
Maybe they will prescribe some other condition like number of lives to be covered. For example, you get a policy from one person with 30 lakhs premium. They will not
Yes, sir.
agree for that. They will ask you to get as
Only
many
three.
policy premium amount is important.
Yes,
Possibly
sir.
they will ask you for number of policies also.
Policies. Yes, sir.
How to recruit agent?
Sir, as an apprentice development officer, I will see the certain qualities of agents, sir. Primarily, the person having good communication skill and leadership qualities and marketing skills, and the person having or not honesty, and a
Hmm.
person patience plays major role in the environment, sir. And the person having the respect in the particular area is also important, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Do you have LIC policy or your parents having LIC policy?
Sir, I am not at having the LIC policy. My parents also having the policy, that is endowment life insurance policy, sir.
Can you explain about the features of endowment life insurance policy?
Sir, the endowment life insurance policy provides a combination of insurance cum savings, sir. The premium of the there is a various particular amount of premium, sir, based on the person's income. They can choose their policy terms, sir. The it is a endowment plan, sir. The policy term is 10 to 20 years, sir.
Then you should also tell about the premium should be paid properly on time. If it is not paid, penalty will be levied. And
Yes, sir.
then at the end of the period, the money will be paid back to the policy holder if he is alive.
Yes,
And during the pendency of the policy, if the policy holder dies, the money will be paid to nominee.
to the nominee or legal heir also.
Yeah. Now, nominee చెప్పు లీగల్ హెయిర్స్ అని వద్దు.
Okay, sir.
అంటే చెప్పండి, వాట్ డు యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ బై నామినేషన్?
Sir, nomination is nothing but the policy holders concerned is known as nominee. Is nominee is also known as a nomination. The claim, the amount of claim is a request of the beneficiary amount. That claim is the amount claimed to the nominee. Nominee is known as a nomination, sir.
No, you can tell it simply. When a person takes a life policy, he also gives the name of another person to whom the money has to be paid in the event of his death.
Death.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the principles of insurance? 7 principles of insurance.
Yes, sir. First one is utmost good faith and insurable interest and subrogation and contribution and insurable interest and proximity cost and loss minimization.
Did you tell all the 7?
Yes, sir.
Principle of utmost good faith, Tarvata?
Insurable interest and indemnity is missing, sir. Indemnity is missing.
Tarvata?
Principle of utmost good faith, principle of indemnity, principle of subrogation, principle of contribution, principle of proximity cost, principle of loss minimization.
Super.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Can you explain about principle of insured interest?
Principle of
Insurable interest. Insurable interest.
Yes, sir. Principle of insurable interest is concerned with the person, sir. That is the self or the family is the person take the policies with consent, sir, not others.
No, have you told clearly? Inka baga cheppocha.
ఇన్సూరబుల్
Can
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే
it be told still better than what you told?
సార్ ఇన్సూరబుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే ద పాలసీ హోల్డర్ తనకు సంబంధించిన వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే ఇన్సూరెన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఎవరికి ఎవరికి పడితే వాళ్ళకి తీసుకోవడానికి ఉండదు. అది తెలియజేసేదే ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సూరబుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్.
Manasi, can you tell me what is principle of insurable interest? Sorry, Navami, can you tell me what is principle of insurable interest?
Sir, me?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Insurable interest means in case of life insurance, there must be an insurable interest present. That is, if there is any loss, if there is a death in case, there must be a financial loss to the family or the policy holders beneficiary. So in case of life insurance, an insurable interest must be present at the time of taking the policy as well as at the time of getting the claim.
Here it is given. Please see on the screen.
Okay, sir. Sir, at that time my father called. That's why I was not able to answer.
The principle says that the person who is taking insurance should have some insurable interest in that thing which is getting insured. So if there will be financial loss to the person, if the insured object gets destroyed, then if this is not the case, insurance cannot be taken. I won't agree for this also. Here they are speaking about general insurance like fire insurance, burglary insurance, flood insurance, etc. But in the case of LIC, let us see. Insurable interest in LIC. Tell me.
In LIC, whether it is breadwinner, if the breadwinner dies, the financial loss goes to the family.
No. Now I am showing you on the screen an insurable interest in life insurance. Suman, you also listen. An insurable interest in life insurance. But don't worry about general and all when you are going for LIC insurance. You will say it is a legal term that refers to the relationship between the policy holder and the person or entity being insured.
Sir, I'm told this now.
You told this only?
Yes, sir.
For an individual to purchase life insurance on another person, they must have an insurable interest. In other words, normally I used to tell like this, he must have an insurable interest. Like that means a person can take the policy in his own name or in the name of his spouse or in the name of his son or daughter.
Parents also, sir.
Acha, parents also. That's what it is. Good. So this is how you have to tell this question. Suman, Arthamainda? Arthamainda? Very good.
Yes, sir.
మీ బ్రదర్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
సార్ ఇద్దరు బ్రదర్స్ వ్యవసాయమే చేస్తున్నారు.
దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో డూయింగ్ వ్యవసాయం.
Yes, sir.
అగ్రికల్చర్. ఎంత వరకు చదివారు?
Sir, younger brother is studying 9th class, sir, and elder brother he studies 5th class, sir.
5th class?
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఎంత ఉమర్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏజ్?
My elder brother is 32 years, sir.
యంగర్ బ్రదర్ ఏమి అరౌండ్ 11 years ఉంటుందా?
లేదు సార్, తనకు కూడా 28 years ఉంటుంది సార్.
ఏమి చెప్తున్నారో అర్థం అవ్వలేదు. కోయి ప్రాబ్లం
అంటే సార్ మా పెద్దన్న పెద్దన్నకి 32 ఇయర్స్, తను వ్యవసాయం చేస్తుంటే అతని కంటే చిన్న 28 ఇయర్స్, తను కూడా వ్యవసాయం చేస్తుంది.
అదే కరెక్ట్, అదే కరెక్ట్. కానీ ఓ చదివినది 5వ క్లాసు.
అప్పట్లో సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్, మంచిదండి. ఇంకా ఒక లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మీకు సుమన్.
ఎస్ సార్.
వాట్ ఈస్ బోనస్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ పాలసీ?
Sir, bonus is the extra amount, sir, based on the life insurance profits. That amount is distributed to the policy holder as per the profits of the life insurance.
Super, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, now these are all out of the syllabus questions. Who is the president of World Bank?
Ajay Banga, sir.
Who is the chairman of Railway Board?
Anil Kumar Lahoti.
Super. Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean, sir.
Correct. Which is the largest island?
Greenland.
Good. Very good. Which is the financial capital of India?
Mumbai, sir.
Correct. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh?
Chhattisgarh, Raipur, sir.
Good. What happened in the latest World Test Championship?
Sir, Australia win the World Test Championship, sir.
Australia win kadu. One ani cheppali. You have to say one ani cheppali.
Okay, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా ఏమైనా న్యూస్ చదివారా? ఈ రోజు ఏమైనా న్యూస్ చదివారా?
సార్ చదివాను సార్.
చెప్పండి. అది ఏమండి? ఇది ఏమండి? బిప్పర్ జాయ్ అంటే ఏమండి అది?
సార్ బీపర్ జాయ్ అనేది ఒక సైక్లోన్ తుఫాన్ సార్. అది గుజరాత్ అండ్ ఒడిశాలో జరిగింది సార్. బీపర్ జాయ్ అనే పేరు పెట్టింది మాత్రం బంగ్లాదేశ్ కంట్రీ సార్.
ఓ, బంగ్లాదేశ్ has given this name.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
In Gujarat, 8 districts are affected by bipar joy, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమో మాట న్యూస్ పేపర్ లో వస్తుంది. ఆర్ యు సీయింగ్ దిస్? అచ్చా, వద్దు, యూ షుడ్ నాట్ సీ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమో మాట వస్తుంది న్యూస్ పేపర్ లో అబౌట్ యూటీఐ అండ్ సే పంజాబ్ నేషనల్ బ్యాంక్, ఎల్ఐసి, ఎస్బిఐ, బిఓబి, ఇదందరూ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు రిగార్డింగ్ యూటీఐ? యూటీఐ అంటే ఏమండి? యూటీఐ అంటే ఏమి?
Sir, I am clearly not. I have seen in the newspaper, but I am clearly not studied that point, sir.
Oh, the point is like this. Punjab National Bank, LIC, SBI and BOB look to seek bids for UTI AMC stake, asset management company. They want to buy stake in UTI asset management company. The 4 state-owned financial entities, Punjab National Bank, Life Insurance Corporation of India, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, that together own just over 45% of UTI asset management company, are understood to be working on inviting formal bids for selling their stakes to అర్థమైందా? These companies, these banks, this LIC, they are having stake with the UTI asset management company. కానీ ఆ షేర్ ఇచ్చి సేల్ చేసానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు. దే వాంట్ టు సెల్ దోస్ షేర్స్ అని రాసారు. అర్థమైందా? వెరీ గుడ్. Armed engineers, this mafia has the smarts for starts. Akasa Air eyes 75 to 100 million via fresh equity. I don't know what is Akasa Air. Then Manipur mayhem continues, 9 killed in fresh violence. President Biden's directive is to remove barriers in deaf tech sharing with India. Sullivan, I don't know what is this. Manipur police registers more than 4,000 FIRs. IITs, IIMs, foreign student enrollment campus abroad. What is that? Campus abroad means what? Are they having campus abroad? IIT and all. India's top colleges are going global. Acha. Leading engineering and management colleges, Indian Institutes of Technology, Indian Institutes of Management are now eyeing enrollment of foreign students. What is her name? Navami, please read this. India's top colleges.
India's top colleges are going global. Leading engineering and management colleges, Indian Institute of Technology and Indian Institute of Management are now eyeing enrollment of foreign students. Some are looking to set up campuses abroad, while most others are looking to increase the number of programs offering both online and offline through local partners in the host country. Among the ones currently looking at setting up campuses outside India are IIM Nagpur, IIT Delhi, and IIT Madras, while other leading IITs and IIMs too have plans. A global campus will help the premier colleges in building a global brand and recognition, attract foreign faculty, and bring in diversity in education and research, officials said.
National Education Policy.
National Education Policy 2020 encourages high-performing Indian institutes to set up campuses in other countries. IIT Madras is in active discussions to set up an offshore campus in Zanzibar, Tanzania, according to PD Agrahalayam, its advisor, Office of Global Engagement. This campus is expected to be operational by the second half of 2026. The plan is meant as a partnership or a collaboration between the two governments and IIT Madras. IIT Madras will bring the expertise in institution building, teaching, and research excellence. Said Agalayam. IIT Madras is looking to
Agalayam.
IIT Madras is looking to offer full-time undergraduate and postgraduate programs in data science and artificial intelligence. NEP 2020 encourages Indian colleges to take brand India abroad, and most leading institutes are working towards the same, said Dr. Bhimaraya Maitri, Director, IIM Nagpur.
Bhimaraya Maitri.
Okay. The entrance to foreign campuses is likely to be based on the law of the land that country, said Maitri. IIM Nagpur is planning to set up campus in Singapore by 2025, Maitri said. Most IITs and IIMs are offering courses to foreign students, either along with collaboration with the local partners in the host country or through online mode. For instance, IIM Ahmedabad has been offering general management program in Dubai since 2010 to over 20 batches. We are currently looking at increasing the number of executive education programs in Dubai this year. Bharat Bhaskar, Director, IIM Ahmedabad, told. IIM in talk is opening to setting up a campus outside India, being the huge global response, but has not chalked out any immediate plans, according to its director Himanshu Rai. There are no immediate plans, but a growing demand for executive courses in UAE and GCC nations, coupled with our expanding alumni base of over 600 professionals, provides a strong foundation for potential future endeavors, Rai said. However, the timeline for such a venture is yet to be determined, he added. With an established presence in terms of course offerings in foreign land, the next step for most is to set up campuses, said another director of IIM who didn't wish to be named.
So these are the pictures they have given. Very good. Anyhow, displacement and new high. Yeah. Yeah, just a minute. I have Mr. Suman. I will stop your interview with this.